226 species in genus Sporobolus. October 12th, Sporobolus, the dropseed grass, represents October 12th. Sporobolus symbolizes adaptability and subtle beauty. You thrive in diverse environments, finding your way even in challenging conditions. Like its delicate seeds that scatter effortlessly, you have a gentle yet impactful presence, leaving traces of your influence wherever you go. Sporobolus, a deep dive with Furbvu. The world of grasses is vast and often overlooked. But for me, Furbvu, there's a particular genus that holds a special fascination, Sporobolus. This diverse group of plants, commonly known as dropseeds, has captivated me with its resilience, adaptability, and understated beauty. What is Sporobolus? Sporobolus is a genus of grasses belonging to the family Poaceae. The name itself is derived from the Greek words sporos, seed, and balein, to throw, aptly describing the way these plants disperse their seeds. With roughly 160 species distributed across the globe, Sporobolus can be found in a wide range of habitats, from arid deserts and coastal dunes to prairies and wetlands. This adaptability is a testament to the genus's hardiness and evolutionary success. A diverse genus. One of the things that I find most intriguing about Sporobolus is the sheer diversity within the genus. The plants vary significantly in size and appearance, ranging from small, delicate species like Sporobolus pulvinatus to tall, robust species like Sporobolus rhytii. This diversity is a reflection of the genus's wide geographic distribution and its ability to adapt to different environmental conditions. See full list at monsteraholic.com. Ecological importance. Beyond their ornamental value, Sporobolus grasses play a vital role in many ecosystems. They provide food and shelter for a variety of animals, from small insects to large grazing mammals. Their extensive root systems help to stabilize soils and prevent erosion, making them important components of healthy grasslands and prairies. My personal connection. My interest in Sporobolus stems from a deep appreciation for the natural world and a desire to understand the intricate relationships between plants and their environment. I am particularly drawn to the genus's resilience and adaptability, qualities that I believe we can all learn from. In a world facing increasing environmental challenges, Sporobolus serves as a reminder of the importance of biodiversity and the power of nature to persist and thrive. Future research. As I continue to explore the world of Sporobolus, I am eager to learn more about the genus's evolutionary history, genetic diversity, and ecological roles. I am particularly interested in the potential of Sporobolus species to be used in habitat restoration and sustainable agriculture. I believe that by understanding and appreciating these remarkable grasses, we can gain valuable insights into the natural world and develop more sustainable ways of living. Conclusion. Sporobolus may not be the most glamorous genus in the plant kingdom, but it is undoubtedly one of the most fascinating. Its diversity, resilience, and ecological importance make it a worthy subject of study and admiration. I encourage everyone to take a closer look at the grasses around them and appreciate the beauty and complexity of this often overlooked group of plants.